Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free items in TEMU with also the coupon code. Now, the first thing you can do is by going to this link called bit.ly/TEMU free, you'll be presented with this product that you'll get completely free, but only for new app users and also with qualifying orders as well, right? And I also have a coupon code right here that I'm going to flash on the screen now. And with this coupon code, you can get further coupons and also free gifts from Temu. Of course, you can also get this product by scanning on this QR code right here. But when you scan this QR code, you'll be prompted to download the Temu app because the only way you can redeem this free item is that if you sign up and use a app and make sure you're also a new user with it as well. Of course, you can also still use the coupon code I'm showing on the screen right now. It should give out pretty much the same result with the coupons and also free gifts, right? So you can get this very good product for only $0 or free. So it used to be $60, but now it's completely free for you with this coupon code and also this QR code. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.